have somebody like DoorLoop to have all those amazing features and make everything so streamlined, you can't beat it. My name is Luis Padilla. I work for Cox Co Rentals. We're located in Waynesville, Missouri. We currently have 36 properties and we manage residential, commercial. The features on DoorLoop makes it absolutely amazing for me, for the tenants, for the owners. The owners get to track all their payments monthly. They get quarterly reports. As a property manager, like I'll give you guys a great example. I was playing 9 holes with a buddy of mine and we got a work order that came in. I was able to process it, submit it to the vendor. The vendor got the notifications. The tenant got the notifications, he went out there, fixed it, and I kept doing my own thing. It saves me an enormous amount of time, streamlining all the work for me. It organizes everything for me so it's all accessible from my phone. On my overview task, every time I log in the mornings, it will show me whose leases are coming up, who's paid, who hasn't paid, any new requests that might come up from any new tenants. It's all there, and all I have to do is click, and it's all done. So to have something as where we're starting out now and to where the potential future that we're gonna get to, oh yeah, the sky's the limit, especially with DoorLoop by our side.